Let's shoot some film, they said. Fine, I said. 4x5, no problem. But I'm trying to load some dark slides in this changing bag. I'm sweating, the film's sweating. I can't remember which way around it goes. Not getting it in the right slot. Great fun. But we are going to get to shoot some 4x5 film. Sweaty. Very sweaty 4x5 film. Yep. That was a long time, but I'm hoping it's so hot in there. Put your hand in there. Yeah. All right, so I actually think that I loaded 8 sheets of film. I'm gonna shoot it. Ilford HP5, 400 ISO, that expired in 2017. Rocking it.